Hi there, I'm Jen with Jen Lori Loans, and I'm just reaching out to all the prospective homebuyers out there. You thinking about buying your first home, but not really sure where to start or what kind of programs are available? I mean, you hear about them all the time, right? Down payment assistance and grants and special interest rates for certain places. And my job is to bring all of that information to you. And so today we are going to talk about the conforming CRA assessment loan. What is that? Sounds kind of fancy, huh? Um, it's actually a really great program to support homebuyers in some underserved communities. So let's talk the basics. Like, what is CRA? So CRA stands for Community Reinvestment Act, and it's a federal law that encourages banks to help meet the credit needs of all communities, including the low to moderate income neighborhoods. So it's a special mortgage program offered by certain lenders that align with these guidelines that they've put into place. They're Fannie and Freddie backed loans, which means they're conforming loan limits, standard underwriting, nothing fancy. The rates are a little bit more competitive, and the terms are very competitive. So some of the major benefits of this loan is that there's a low down payment. It offers only 3% down, which is great, but here's the best part. You and I know that if you don't have 20% down, you have PMI, right? In conforming loans, a lot of time with only 3% down, if your credit's not that great, the PMI is terrible, terrible. To the point that we all often look at FHA loans because the PMI is cheaper. I'm just today. This loan, there are banks that offer it with no PMI. So conventional loan, no PMI, competitive rates. I mean, it's an excellent, excellent, excellent program. Now, these loans are targeted to specific communities or census tracts. So before you get your heart set on this, you want to make sure that the home that you're making an offer on allows it. So if you are a first-time home buyer or you have not been on a deed for at least 3 years, if you are purchasing in one of these designated eligible areas, and if you fall within the income guidelines, and those are 80 to 100% of the area median income, which here in Contra Costa is like 120,000. Always the dogs, I swear to God. Anyways, you've got to take a first-time home buyer class, and again, you've got to qualify for a conventional loan. But this is a great way to maybe get into some of these neighborhoods that they're trying to revitalize and get your foot in the door and start building some equity. So if you have questions, if you qualify for the program, if you have questions about what area are census target areas, please reach out. I'd be happy to share that information with you. All right. Have a great day.